Audio is one of those things that is oftentimes overlooked. A lot of people will just plug in any pair of headphones or earbuds and then just start listening to music, playing games, watching movies, or whatever it is they do. For a really long time, I was definitely one of those people until I experienced the difference that high quality audio can make. Recognizing the importance of delivering high-quality audio, Massdrop has joined forces with Sennheiser to produce an affordable pair of headphones that deliver premium audio quality, but without the super sky-high prices. The result is the HD58X Jubilee. Aesthetically, things are simple and clean in a good way. With an attractive black glossy headband and gray metal grills, these headphones stand out, but not in a disco RGB gaming sort of way, which is nice and refreshing. The headphones are constructed mostly from plastic and feature an open back design, which really helps keep weight down. Weighing just 260 grams, they're barely noticeable on your head even after long periods of time. There's plenty of room for adjustment to fit even the largest and weirdest shaped heads like mine, and the ear cups are elliptical and are lined with this nice thick, soft, and comfortable padding. One nice advantage of the open back design of the headphones is that it keeps things comfortable by keeping your ears kind of cool, allowing things to breathe. But that also means that sound can pass through the back of the ear cups and is definitely noticeable to people around you. So for that reason, I would recommend using these headphones in your home, your office, your studio, something like that, just not out around in public unless you really want to be noticed. Sound is delivered by Sennheiser's 150 ohm dynamic drivers with a frequency response of 12 to 38,500 Hz. These drivers are specifically designed to emphasize clean extended bass with a solid transient response and a smooth but clear upper mid-range. When testing these headphones, I just plugged them directly into the integrated audio on my Asus Z390 ROG Strix motherboard. The audio quality was, to be quite honest, the best I've heard from a pair of headphones. Everything was crisp and clear, and the bass wasn't overly amplified or exaggerated to uncomfortable levels as I've kind of become accustomed to with some PC gaming headsets. Speaking of PC gaming headsets, how the hell are we supposed to game with these headphones when they don't include an integrated microphone? I guess the answer to that is you can use them with games that don't require voice communication, or maybe you do use them with games that require voice communication and you just don't communicate with your team. If you're anything like me and you're a terrible teammate, then that's probably not such a big deal anyway. But what they do offer for gaming is a very immersive, high quality audio experience. And keep in mind, I just tested them connected to the integrated audio on my motherboard. I'm assuming things would be even better with an even higher quality sound card. But even just with my onboard audio, I could hear every little detail in the game. I was very directionally aware. I could hear footsteps. I felt like I knew where the enemies were at all times, which can be a pretty big advantage, especially in first-person shooter games like CSGO and stuff like that. If the lack of an integrated microphone has you concerned, there are a few options available. You could go with a separate USB desktop microphone. There's a company called ModMic. You should check them out. They make some pretty cool options that can actually integrate right to the headphones. They just kind of attach to the outside. And some of them are actually able to transmit the audio wirelessly to your computer, which is pretty cool. And then obviously there's PC gaming headsets if you just want to pick up one of those. After using and testing these headphones for a couple of weeks now, the question is, will I be making the switch to these as my main pair of headphones? And the answer is yes, I absolutely will be, because the audio quality offered by the HD58X far surpasses that of my gaming headset in my opinion, and I have no problem not having a microphone because, like I said earlier, I'm a terrible teammate anyway. The HD58X Jubilee headphones from Massdrop and Sennheiser. Solid build, lightweight, and premium audio quality. At just $150 US, this is a fantastic way to experience high quality audio, but without paying the professional level prices. If you're interested in taking your audio experience to the next level, hit the link in the video description and pick up the HD58X. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up on your way out and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video.